Hello, my name is Jacob Eckert, and I wanted to share my front-end Capstone at Nashville Software School with y'all. So pop on over there. So my app is called uhhhwut, which is, of course, an acronym for Unselfish Humans Helping Humans with Unlimited Transcriptions. The target audience for my app is language learners who use YouTube videos to immerse in their target language. So you can imagine an English speaker maybe learning Japanese. Maybe that learner watches Japanese content on YouTube to better immerse in Japanese. But the problem that this app solves is, imagine that person is watching a Japanese video someday and they hear something in the video that they just completely don't understand, like whatsoever, like even to the point where they can't try to like sound it out and type it out in Google Translate. So that user could create what this app calls a transcription request for that segment of the video. And then later on, a Japanese speaker on the site would transcribe that segment for them so that they can better study. The catch is, to actually create and activate one of these transcription requests, the user must first transcribe something in their own native language. And so that's kind of like a crowdsourced hub of YouTube transcriptions. So with that said, let's check it out. I'm going to make a new account. Here we are. If I want to watch a YouTube video in here, I'll just paste in the URL of the video I want to watch. So I'm going to jump over here, grab this one real quick, and paste it in. You'll see it immediately pops up in the player. So let's start watching. I'm going to jump forward to a part that I know has some things said.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿神克鲁奇。大家好，我是鬼怒川。今天要跟鬼怒川一起玩的这款游戏的名字叫做 Undertale。
Okay, so maybe I didn't understand that segment at all, but I want to know what was said. So I'm going to jump back and I'm going to make a transcription request for a segment of this video.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿神克鲁奇。大家好，我是鬼怒川。今天要跟鬼怒川一起玩的这款游戏的名字叫做 Undertale。这是一款在
So you can see I made a request for the segment 154 to 159. Let's go ahead and activate that. I can go ahead and review that segment and make sure it is indeed what I was hoping to get transcribed. So let's do that really quick.
今天要跟鬼怒川一起玩的这款游戏的名字叫做 Undertale。这是一款
Yep, that was exactly it. So I'm going to mark it as a Chinese segment, save and confirm. So now I have to transcribe something in English for another user. So let's go ahead and watch this.
I am going into battle, and I want your strongest potions.
Oh, that seemed great. I'm going to go ahead and activate. So now let's check out a Chinese user account. I'm going to pop into another person here. So another thing that I added to this app is internationalization based on the browser's default language. There is a full translation set for Chinese, except for this acronym, which had to stay as uhhhwut to make sense. But yeah, the whole UI has an entire Chinese translation set. Probably wildly mistranslated because I tried to do it myself, but don't worry about that part. So I'm going to go ahead and log in as that user, and maybe this is a user who's really interested in like American synth pop from the 80s. So let's go ahead and grab a video for that. Cool. Okay, yeah, we'll just grab that segment. Gonna go ahead and mark that as an English segment. And hey, look, it's the Chinese segment that was just requested by the other user. So
今天要跟鬼怒川一起玩的这款游戏的名字叫做 Undertale。这是一款
There we go, perfectly transcribed. So now let's pop back over to the other account. If I were to jump into my dashboard, I would now see I have a new transcription for the request I made. Here it is. Yep, that looks perfect to me. I'm gonna accept it. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my app. It's also, there is a live version of this deployed. Go to uhhhwut.onrender.com if you want to explore a little more yourself. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'm Jacob Eckert. Keep learning.